When you first open the Outlet Finder app, we will display any outlets within the visible map region. To search more areas, simply move the map around the area you want to search. To have the map only display particular outlet types, tap on the three-line icon in the top bar to go to the filtering page. Put a check next to the outlet types you want to see, and then tap on the filter button to only show those outlet types on the map. The app will remember this between sessions, so next time you open the app you may see less locations than expected. Always make sure your filter settings are correct before looking for particular outlets. Tap on an outlet to see details about it, including a description, whether the submitter tested it themselves, and a possible sponsor. Android devices show sponsors in a text link, while Apple devices show sponsors in an HTTP button. To visit the sponsor's website, you can tap on the available text link or the button to visit it. When you have found an outlet that you'd like to go to in person, you can tap on the map icon to be given directions to the outlet location. Android devices display the map icon in the bottom right of the map and will open directions in Google Maps. Apple devices display the map icon in the outlet description box and will open directions in Apple Maps. To add a location to the app, you will have to register an account with us. Tap on the plus map pin icon in the top bar. Drag the map icon to the area where the outlet is located, and then tap on the map plus pin in the map to add details for the outlet. Type in a description of the outlet, add whether you tested the outlet personally yourself, and whether it is outside or inside and available for 24 hours. Hit the submit button to add it to the map, and then see it displayed as long as your filter settings permit it. To edit locations, you can tap on the pencil map pin icon in the top bar, or if your top bar does not display all of the icons, tap on the overflow menu or the three white dots to then see the edit locations option. From here, you can find the outlet to modify, and then tap on the edit button to do so. Change whatever details you would like, and then tap on the update button to save the details. You may also delete outlets if you'd like to.